So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install Roblox app on any iPhone. So first of all, open the App Store on any iPhone. Now after this, tap on this profile icon on the top right corner. Now here make sure you're logged in to your Apple account, as you will need it to install apps on your iPhone. Once you log into your account, tap on Done. Now after this, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and here search for Roblox. Now this is the game. To install it, tap on this icon and this will start installing it. Wait until the process is completed. Once the game is downloaded, tap on Open to launch it. Once the game launches, you can sign into your account and start using Roblox. So this is how you can install Roblox app on any iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.